Hello?
Honey, it's me.
What's that noise?
I went to use the kitchen sink and it's flooding the kitchen.
Okay, don't worry.
Hang up and call RPL.
RPL?
Yeah, RPL Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. They can fix it fast.
I'm home alone with the girls.
RPL's been fixing plumbing, heating, and air for over 40 years. Employees are background checked, and you receive the name and picture of the technician in advance.
Okay, it's getting messy in here. I'm calling RPL.
For plumbing, heating, or AC repairs and service, call 203 RPL HELP. All new customers get 20% off their first job.